Hi viewers, this is another restoration on a 4-speed Leyland Atlantean shifter. This is what it looks like in pieces from top to bottom. I've just got a few things to do to it. I can't find a rubber boot yet for it, so I'll have to make one up somehow. I'm doing some castings as well of the gate, hopefully in the next couple of months. Hopefully I get more time. The other one I had to fill in full of wax in the H pattern, so when we do the sand casting it will come out nice, otherwise the angles are pull all the sand out when you pull the casting apart. So that's another job there, another project. The rest of the pieces, these are the valves that go in there. As you push down on the shifter, pushes the rockers, you push the valves down inside and allow the air through to each gear. And that's about it. Pretty simple really. The other casting I tried to do took 3 times, and on the third one it did turn out, but not as well as I thought. This is what the other one looks like. Got the wax in there ready for the next casting. Had to bog up that hole, stop the sand all caving in. Should be a nice cast. I get the CNC machine, cut out the H pattern and the new one, do a brass one as well. Get a couple of brass ones and a couple of alloy ones. Hopefully I'll do a part 2 when it's all complete, and I'll do an air test on that one and give it a bell. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.